Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey. If you're new, today's video I'm just doing a really quick intro for. It's to do a review and swatch the new Light Elegance Afternoon Picnic collection. So I am going to go onto kind of nail view mode so that you can see what I'm doing. But I only have the colour gels. I don't have the glitter gels. I do think that I may pick a couple of them up, but I don't really think I want them all. As well, I'm going to be showing you the new boxes, the new storage boxes that Light Elegance have come out with. I've got one of their new tools in here, but this is their smaller box. I just think it's amazing for doing colour gels anyway. This one needs a couple more gels in it just so they stop rattling around, but they're brilliant for making sure that all of your gels are safe and together. I'm obviously building up my collection to go into my new salon again, so it's really nice to keep them all nice and safe. I have the big one as well. I will insert footage of it later on, but yeah, I just wanted to quickly introduce everything before I went on to nail view mode. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, obviously I would love it if you've got a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more videos like this, then let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you guys next time. Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a nail product review. I was thinking about starting another channel just to do all my nail stuff on, but really I just don't have time to dedicate to both right now, so I'm just going to put this on my main channel. And today we are talking about some new releases from Light Elegance. If you want to know a lot more about Light Elegance, go to Selena Ryden here on YouTube. She's an ambassador for them, and she does loads of videos about how to use the products and stuff like that, and releases and stuff like that. So the reason that I've got this here is this is one of the new items that they've launched, this little box here. Let me see if I can show you a little bit better. This one is sort of perfect size for their colour gels and their buttercreams, and it fits one layer of in there, and it just holds them together really nicely. This is obviously taking up a little bit extra room just now, but it just is perfect for sort of laying them out. If you want to, you could, you know, put them in your drawer like this or whatever, and then it closes down and you could have like all of your pinks, all of your reds, all of your colours, you know, whatever sort of in these, and it keeps your drawer a little bit more tidy. So if you've got loads and loads of colours, you can just sort of label these and then pick out the one that you need. I'll put up on the screen how much this one is. I'll show you, I don't have the other one on hand, but I'm going to pop in a little video of it as well. And they are pretty inexpensive and they are quite sturdy. The other one has a handle, this one doesn't, but it is just a really nice way to sort of keep all of your stuff. The main event of this video, this here, their Afternoon Picnic collection. So I love that Light Elegance do this. They do it with buttercream collections as well, I think. They give you the little sticks and basically little labels to label the little sticks with, so you can do your swatches and you can have them labelled, and it's all really tidy. So my Light Elegance stuff is that I buy in collections is usually really neat, nice and neat and tidy, and my other stuff is just a total mess because I have to like draw on it. So if anybody knows where you can get these little swatch sticks from as well, let me know, because I like them better. So we're just going to start going through these. What's in your basket? So a really nice dusky rose colour. If you use CND and you use shellac, I would compare this to Rosebud. It's really similar. Okay, next we have Lazy Day Lavender. So this is obviously a really nice sort of pastel lavender colour. Gorgeous. I think that this is going to be really nice for sort of Easter time. That is if we manage to get open for Easter. Next we have Delightful Day. This is a sort of baby pinky colour by the looks of things. Really nice baby pink. And if you haven't guessed already, they're all cream colours. Now we have Let's Get Together. This is a slightly more coral pink, I'd say. That's absolutely stunning. This is going to be a gorgeous summer colour. This one we have is Under the Shade Tree. This one I am going to do a swatch comparison. I will take a photo and I'll put it up of, and I can't remember the name of the other one, but I'll put it up here for you so you can see. It's a proper mint green. Really like spearmint-y green colour. Okay, there we go. So it's just a really true mint green. And last but not least, we've got Blue Skies Ahead. This one was the one that made me want to buy this collection. It is such a nice colour. It's rich. It's pale, but it's rich. So there you have it. That is Lazy Day Lavender, Under the Shade Tree, What's in Your Basket, Blue Skies Ahead, Let's Get Together, and Delightful Day, all from the Afternoon Picnic collection, which is brand new for Spring 2020 from Light Elegance. It is available now. I actually got mine from Sweet Squared, which is the retailer for Light Elegance in the UK, and this is probably my favourite collection I have gotten to date. I just really like the colours in it. I know I'm definitely going to get some use out of it. I'm eyeing up this guy right here, and this guy right here, and this one right here, so yeah, I think that I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. Obviously, if you buy this collection like this, you will get a slight discount rather than if you bought them separately. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it. As for the boxes, I really like the storage boxes. I'm going to definitely buy some more of them. Obviously, this is a slightly different format type video for me, so I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, I think that is it. Obviously, if you've watched my channel in the past, you'll know the story with my salon. If not, I will put a card in the top corner for you so you can go and hear about what happened. But I'm in the middle of basically opening a new salon, and there's going to be lots of videos on the renovations and things like that. So yeah, keep an eye out for that, and if you are interested, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel, obviously, as well as all my beauty content that's going to be staying, that's not going to be going anywhere. But yeah, if you enjoyed, obviously I would love if you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you would like to see in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.